Why Apple earphones are white. The Apple iPod was launched on the 23rd of October 2001, but before then, music lovers used portable Walkmans and CD players to play their songs, which was bulky. The iPod is one of Apple's greatest accomplishments, but the greatest accessory after the iPod are the earphones. Before Apple started making their earphones white, most earphones came in black, and no one really paid attention to the color of their earphones. But that changed when the iPod and the white earphones came along. Apple made the earphones white because they could not add a logo to the earphones, so they worked on another feature that would get the consumer's attention, which is the color. Apple promoted their new white earphones by creating silhouettes with a colorful background that are the white earphones in their ears to get people's attention. The advert was effective because every time a white earphone was seen in public, it showed that the user has an Apple device. I am sure you want to know the reason why Apple makes iPhones and computers in different colors, but not the earphones. I will explain that in this video. Apple makes their earphones white because unlike their computers, which are the glowing Apple logo, no one would notice the iPod, which was designed to fit into people's pockets. So they decided to make the earphones white so people would notice. We can see that Apple continues this color by releasing two generational AirPods and AirPods Pro in the color white. Apple released the AirPod Pro Max in 5 different colors, and the iMac is available in 7 colors, which is totally different from the color they've been using for the last decade. We believe Apple might change the color of the earphones in the future. Thank you for listening. My name is Oluwatobi, and please subscribe and share for more content. Bye.